Hi everybody, I'm Vikas Gupta, Managing Director of Wiley in India, as well as the President of the Association of Publishers in India. Today I want to talk about the future of publishing. Will publishing remain in the current form? This is a question a lot of you ask me when I meet a lot of people who are related to publishing. So let's understand what's happening in publishing today. The traditional publishing model from last multiple hundred years has been the author writes, the publisher helps the book in terms of editing it, designing it, marketing it, printing it, distributing it, and this process of creating printed books has worked for multiple hundred years. However, in the world of technology, where anything can be delivered online, e-books or e-publishing has dramatically changed the way people look at publishing. As an author, you don't need to be dependent on a publisher to publish, market, and distribute your book. You can do it yourself, working with freelancers, and then just list the book on things like Amazon or Flipkart or any other online portal, and your book will be available globally instantaneously. So why do you need publish? Why do you need a publisher? Come on, think about it. What do publishers bring on the table if in the new world you can do everything yourself? What people need to understand is the role of publisher is like a role of a peer review person. The role of a publisher is to make you understand how to present a book, how to write a book, how to market a book, as well as what will sell and what will not sell, in what form, in what way. So all of this experience comes to a publisher with years of work they do in promoting and creating and publishing multiple hundred books. So author-driven models of today, where author can do on your own, can work, but you need to understand that the value of content still remains. But the value of content in the Googleized world is people are only interested to read and learn what is not available on Google. So if you are a fiction writer, if the story you create is not available on Google, people will like to buy. But nobody would like to read a story where a similar story was available in Google. Same is true in education and other kinds of learning. But the challenge is, in today's world, we face challenges of copyright. The copyright crisis is that anybody can download your book illegally and use it without paying you. Further, the recent Delhi High Court case where it allowed people to photocopy books for usage in the class without paying the authors is also creating a challenge for an author or a publisher. In a way, can publishing be a sustainable business in the future? To do that, people need to understand that we need to create a sustainable ecosystem where author, publisher, users all value what each of the stakeholders bring on the table, in what form it needs to be sold, print, online, or in a very hybrid form. That's a different thing altogether. But if all of these three stakeholders understand the value each of them brings on the table, I think publishing can sustain, because there is still a value on quality and unique content.